Hello everyone, this is Ashrit from Learn Digital Academy. So in this class, we'll discuss on Liquify. So with the help of Liquify, we can create caricature characters. So for example, you can see image over here. So if you want to do some alterations in a face, like eyes, eyebrows, lips, the smiley curves, chin level, jaw level and all. With the help of Liquify, you can easily alter it. So currently I'm duplicating the original layer. So right click, duplicate the layer. Yes. So now you can see two different layers. So for the copied layer, I'm going for filter. I'm applying liquify effect. So if you click on liquify, automatically new window will pop up. In the right hand side, you can see lot more options over here. The first one is brush size and all. So don't worry about the brush size and all. At the bottom, the next one is face aware liquify. You can see. So here you can see different options like eyes, under eyes, eye size, eye height, eye width, eye tilt, eye distance. So then again nose height and nose width. Again mouth, smile, upper lips, lower lips, mouth width, mouth height. So then again face, shape, forehead, chin height, jawline, face width. So these are all the main things you can do changes in your faces, because in your face you can see only this much things, right? Eye, jaw, nose, lips, this many things. How to edit with these things? So always make sure that the preview is turned on. So one by one we'll discuss. For example, eye size, one is a right eye and one is the left eye. So just I'm increasing the size of one eye, you can see the changes. So eye size 100% means you can see the difference over here. So eye size minus 100 means you can make it smaller. So one is bigger and one is smaller. So just I increase the eye size. So maximum 100 is there. So if you want to type 500 also, not an issue. You will not get any output. So because we have a limitations of minus 100 to plus 100. But why I told not an issue means apply one time with this effect, again open the same image and again apply the same effect. So then it will be like 100 plus 100, 100 plus 100. You can keep on adding a same effect for multiple times. So then eye size 100, 100, eye height. So you can see the changes over here. See, changes. Yes, I increased 100% for left eye and right eye. So then again, eye width. So if you want to make small, if you want to make big, so play with minus or plus value. So I need more width. Yes, so more broader. So eye tilt. Yes, I need a tilt. So in which direction you want to tilt your face, like in face parts, you can tilt. So then eye distance, you can change. See over here. Yeah, so minus value brings together. So plus value move away. So which one you need? You can use. I need everything together or far away place. So then we'll work on nose part. So nose height and nose width. So you can see. So just I'm playing with nose height. So I need a complete down. So then nose width, I need more width, like broad nose or small nose. So you can check. So it is a very fun thing. You can play each and individual time with this options. So then mouth. The first option is smile. Yes. So if you don't want smile, make it minus 100. If you need a smile, a part by part, like small amount, you can increase. So then upper lip, a thickness. Yes, you can see the upper lip is moving. So then the lower lip, you can play. So then mouth width, so broad or small. So very small mouth height, very small. So I'm making more funny caricature over here. So then face shape, forehead. So just look into the forehead. So it's stretching. So plus value or minus value you can give. So then chin height. So just check with the chin. So here you can see the chin, the jaw cut. So then the jawline, you can see the broad or the small. You can play. I'm making her more chubby, or you can make her more lean. So then face width, it's more. So once it is done, so just turn off on and off your preview. So this is the original face we played and this is the edited one. So if you are okay with these things, so just apply. Okay. So here you can see a lot more changes before and after the image. So just I'm moving the original image to the top layer. So then I'm making a resize and placing in one corner. So you can easily identify the changes over here. One by one changes over here you can identify. So one by one changes you can identify. So small things will impact more. So then, with the help of Liquify, you can easily create a caricature like this. You can play with your friend faces, friend's face, relative face, or if you want to convert your image as a caricature, like a cartoonistic, you can convert your own image in this way. So these all are with the help of Liquify tool. So fine, that is for face like caricaturing, caricature style and all. So in Liquify, we have few other things also. So what all that things we'll discuss. For example, I have one tummy body, just assume fat body, fat body. So you will get lot more fat bodies over here. So in advertisers, you guys can easily see before and after. So lot more things you can see like this before and after. So in advertisers, how they will do, what are the main things they will use to do this kind of things. So with the help of Liquify, you can do this kind of things. So how, I will show you. So we'll search for one beautiful image. So fat body, I will prefer side view. Just I'm using this image. Just I'm copying the image and pasting. So just I'm turning off this layer. Yeah, now you can see the image over here. So just again go for filter, use Liquify. So new pop-up window you will get. We'll work on brush tools and the left side we have few more options over here. So how to use this kind of things? What are the main things you can edit in these things? Fine. So already you guys know what is Liquify, what is the main use of Liquify and all. With the help of face aware, you guys can do this things. So then make sure that whenever you are using this kind of image, the image should be in a transparent. So this one is not a transparent image. Like I want to remove the white parts. So already we discussed on tools. Everyone know what all tools and all. I'm using eraser tool, magic eraser, because everything is in a white in a single click. I can remove things. So now select the layer, filter, apply, liquify. So a lot more things still at the bottom I can see. So just I want to rescale it actually. Yeah. So again I'm using eraser. So filter, liquify. Yes. The first one is forward wrap. Forward warp means you can move your object little bit front. You can see I'm stretching, I'm moving the tummy part over here for this character. So making more bulge. So then the second one is reconstruct. Reconstruct means whatever changes you created, so it will go to its normal position. That means the original stage. So then the next one is smooth tool. For example, if you reconstructed anything, that means if you're doing any changes and all, if it is not proper, so you can make a smooth. So with the help of smooth tool, you can see the surface making a more softer and a more smoother. So with the help of these things, we have Pucker and Blot. So again, Pucker. So Pucker is one of the best tool you can use. So it will reduce, and it will make everything a small, that means it will sucks everything like a pucker. So you can see the changes, whatever changes I'm doing. So which part you need, you can do this kind of things. So don't worry about this hand part and all. Just concentrate on stomach part. Then blot. So we are not working exactly. Just I'm showing how you guys can use. So blot exactly to the opposite of pucker. It will operate. So that means if it is pucker is sucking everything, means the blot it will blow everything. For example, if you want to blow the chest part, you can see I can easily blow the chest part. If you want to blow the biceps part, you can blow the biceps part. So then the next one is push left. So you can push objects from one part to another part. So left, right, top, bottom. So you can push. So just you need to move your cursor towards right or towards left or towards up or towards bottom. So you can move these things. So then these are the main tools you can use with the help of Liquify. So normally this is the process where you can see lot more images like before and after. So start dieting before it was like 90 kg, 100 kg. So after doing a diet or after taking the syrup and all, or after taking the medicines and all, you will be more lean. So comparison between the before and after, they used to do advertisements in this way. So in modeling agency, in model photography industry, everyone using these tools because as it is a familiar tool. So where you can adjust small things in a face also, small things in a body part also. You can do lot more changes. So this is your liquify tool. So we discussed on face and what is the main use of liquify tool also. We discussed not only for body parts, so you can play with this face also. So how? So filter, liquify. So the nose part. So initially I'm taking pucker or a blot. So pucker. So I want a small eyes. Just click on that. You can see the eyes are changed. So then blot, I need big lips. So you can make big lips. So you can do lot more things over here. Then I don't want this big cheeks. So just finish it. So small cheeks. So you can create and you can change face also with the help of this options. So because you can see I'm doing lot more changes with these things. So in this way you can play with the face also. If you want to do any changes in a manual way, you can use liquify brushes or liquify pucker and blot in the left hand side. So only if you want to do any changes for eyes, nose, mouth, or facial expressions or caricature characters, so just go for right hand side. In a right hand side, you have face aware liquify option. So you can play with these things. I hope the session was informative. We'll catch up in the next session.